Away in a Manger, key of C. We have 3 main chords, C, F, G. Make sure to stop this video right now. Click on the description below because I've printed out, I have a printable chord sheet for you so that you can follow along with me. Okay, so Away in a Manger starts out with C chord. So we're gonna play C, E, G is a C chord. Okay, and then we're gonna play an F chord, F, A, C, F chord. G chord is right next door. G chord is G, B, D. Okay, so review, you could play a C chord, F chord, G chord. Now remember, when you're chording, it's super easy to be able to play chords anywhere you want. So if you want to play a C chord up here one time and then go down here and play it the next time, play an F here, play an F here, it doesn't really matter. You can kind of hop around, play what sounds good to you. All right, so that's a C chord, F chord, G chord. Why I chose this key for you is that there's no black notes, so it's super simple for you to learn. In the left hand, we're just going to play single notes. C chord plays with a single note, C. F, G. So you can leave this hand here the whole time. So it could look like this. So we're going to do what I call a 1-to-3 ratio. It just means together, right, right, together, right. Right, because this is written in 3/4 time signature, you're going to have 3 beats per measure, but that's a lot of classical training. So if you don't want to learn the classical training, that's why I love teaching chording, because it kind of cuts out some of that more complicated stuff to learn and kind of just gets you right into playing. So I'm going to show you the first verse, and you can follow along with me. We're just going to do that together, right, right, every time we see a chord. And some of the chords you might have to repeat. So when you see my printable chord sheet, you don't play the next chord until the chord, the F, for instance, is over the word crib. That's about where you're going to change into the next chord, F, okay? So, away in a manger, no, to the F, crib for a bed, back to the C, but, and then G, little Lord Jesus laid down to the C, up to the C, whatever you want to do, down his sweet head, the stars in the sky looked, F, down where he, C, lay. We're going to hop to the G, the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. So the end, it's going to go asleep on the hay. And you'll do that for the end of each verse. The last line there, you're going to have just the 2 beats, 3rd beat, and then hang out on your C to end it out. All right? So make sure to go back and rewatch it if you have any questions. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head, the stars in the sky looked down where he lay, the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the baby awakes, but little Lord Jesus no crying he makes. And I love thee, Lord Jesus, look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. there.